म्हाका एक अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय GWMCन तुमकां CND वेस्टूय दिल्लो
ना CND वेस्ट
देन वाय वॉज CND वेस्ट डम्प्ड हियर
CND वेस्ट सी कोण आता बसून कोणी संडासाची हे हाडून उडयल्या रातचे कोण हाडून उडयता
तुम्ही बॅरिकेड करू ना
बॅरिकेड करूंक ना बॅरिकेड करीत जाल्यार रातचे येता बियरी पिवंक येता ते बाटल्यो उडयता ते हांगार येता See, last 4 years, last four years, my father was in dementia. So I was not able to, for 5 years, he was in dementia. And 1 year, my mother was not well. So she expired on 3rd. So I used to not hardly come 1 hour to half an hour on the side.
बियर पियन वयता न्ही तुम्ही केन्ना पुलिशेक कंप्लेन केला
पुलिशेक कंप्लेन केली आमी
असं
ओरली कंप्लेन केली आमी
रिटर्न कंप्लेन करूंक ना
रिटर्न कंप्लेन करूंक ना कित्याक
येदे व्हडल्या जाग्यान तुझे कंप्लेन करपाक रात आनी दीस
रातचे येता
दिसाची कंप्लेन करूंक जाता तुज्यान तो
कंप्लेन करूंक जाता
किंवा रिटर्न कंप्लेन
सो आय गिव पेट्रोलिंग खायला कितले खेप मरे आवडचे
पळय आतां सपोज तो आतां हांगा एक येदो व्हडलो जागो तेजो आसा त्या जाग्यान म्हणजे प्रॉपर्टीन भितर सरोन बाटली फोडटा म्हणून कंप्लेन करूंक जाय न्हू
पण ते कितें आतां डेली रातचे येता
डेली केन्ना
डेली येता न्हू ते फोटो मारून
म्हणून ते न्हू की कोणी हाडून थंयसर डम केला की आतां तुमी वेस्ट हाडून डम केला ते तुमकां अवेर ना तुमी तेजे
अवेर आसा
कंप्लेन
ती गाडयेची कंप्लेन कित्याक करीन तर तुमी
पण गाडी रातची येता न्हू
रातचे ते तुमी
संडासाची पाय हें उडयला
हेच म्हणटा तुमी ओरली कंप्लेन चलची ना न्हू सर तुम्ही रिटर्न कंप्लेन दिया
तुजे हितून डॅम्प केला हे केला पळय घातला पळय तेन्ना तुका कळय पळय आयकाय
न्हू ते आतां कितें
ना आयकाय हेजे उत्तर तेन्ना तुजे हितून भाटान कितें हाडून उडयलें हे तुका कळय जाल्यार तुज्या आपल्या भाटान अमकें अमकें उडयलें म्हणून पुलिशेक जावं आमकां पंचायतीक कित्याक तुवें हें करूं ना कंप्लेन करूं
आतां सी आय डिडंट कंप्लेन इट
ना
बिकॉज वयता तेंचे कडेन म्हाका झगडी करूंक आय डिडंट हॅव
बरें हांव तुज्या आंगार येयलो तूं म्हाका कंप्लेन करचें ना
कितें आतां सी देर आर 2 ways either you fight with them or this but I didn't have a time to
कंप्लेन करूंक जाय
because my family is not keeping well so I used to divert
you need not fight with them you just write a complaint no formal complaint you write there
ना आतां हांव फ्री जालो म्हाजी
भाई पळय हे कितली वर्सां चलता हांव 5 टायम फाटीं हांवूय पंचायतीन आहलो तांच्यान आमी तोच सेक्रेटरी आसा तेन्ना आमी विजीट केला तेन्ना हांगासर कितें जालें तें आमकां खबर
वास आमकां थिंगा पासून येतालो डावन
सकयल ताची चर्च आसा कारांबोलीम पळय ती म्हणून आमी तेन्ना येले नेवरेचे लोक येताले डोंगरेवयले लोक येताले
see further
see there are in India a lot of farms they are not putting this garbage for fertilizer for them
आमकां वास येतालो
see in Kerala and all they have lot of big
I have ordered now 100
जेवण वयतले मरे
but why that garbage
एग्रीकल्चर कितें जातलें
I have ना एग्रीकल्चर जाता ते तुका दाखयता हांव कितें
हांव
घातलें
तशें म्हणना ह्या प्लास्टिकान तूं कितें करून घालूं
ना आतां तूं म्हणटा न्हू आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू डिबेट आता तेज्यात हितून हांवें कितें केलां न्हू यू कम एंड सी
no the work you are doing is very good very well and I also appreciate because of the plants we required them but whatever you're putting them that is disturbing us for all humanity down
I'm sorry for that madam
Yeah.
I will not do it further
okay
let me be
see
very
I'm just
I'm also the environment loving this thing and
I'm crying bitterly to see this all this destruction you know I'm atan sayla panchayatin but I cried very bitterly in gele sogle
madam see I am planting about 40,000 trees
good
40,000 trees I have already I'll show you the bills how much I've these not bills I'll show you the number of mangoes
I appreciate your work but whatever you're putting
see that
here,
was
that is spoiling all humanity
see,
down
that is my mistake I admit it
okay.
I admit it
okay
for last 10 years how many you have grown sir last 10 years how
now
many you have grown?
let us forget about the
now you are saying you have brought 40,000 now for last year how much you have cut?
See, that time my water harvesting was not there. Today I have about 1 crore of water stored.
you're harvesting here
Water harvesting.
That is yours?
Yeah. Entire, see, this year I'm saving about 5 crores of liter water.
Good.
So nobody in India will save 5 crore of liter because I am thinking of making it as green and sustainable this thing.
Yeah.
I have already purchased the Miyazaki's and Thailand variety mangoes. You can come and inspect it. I will appreciate it from this because I am lifting not only this. I made a payment for 100 trucks of cow dung.
You can eat the mangoes, don't worry. But all the reason is disturbing here because of the smell.
See, now in future, nothing will
They are
happen.
complaining because of the smell.
Nothing will happen in this. I can give you. in
I
writing.
myself had experienced that smell.
See, I will.
Around 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock starts there.
See, madam.
So I'm just
See,
opposite
madam.
here.
My mother was not well for last 1 year.
Okay.
I was
But
not able to.
further you don't
No,
do-
no.
don't
Further,
do this.
further, I assure you that nothing will happen.
Okay.
If anything, this I will, and I required a mulch now.
For this
no,
fertilizer, even this leaves, dry leaves,
Dry
are
leaves.
okay for you.
Dry leaf, I can give get a permission from Panchayat, then I'll take a Panjim municipality dry lift and waste where you can inspect first.
Okay. But you please stop this.
No, I have already stopped.
Because it is spoiling not only one and
So-
two families, whole surrounding is spoiled with
Madam, I understand because
Yeah.
my presence was not there in the
this.
site.
Okay.
My presence was not there on the site, and I don't want to debate
Okay,
anything,
okay.
nor I want to
See,
this.
we don't want to continue this. Even this plastic, the paper.
No plastics.
See, those are very harmful for plants also.
Madam, I know
Ah.
because why I am doing it this thing, because I can just sell to Delhiites and this, but that is not my intention.
Don't sell.
See, I am getting a wood from PMC, so now I will ask for the pollution control also to give me a consent for whether any wood this thing and this. There was so many wood over here. Atlas company asked me the wood for their staff, so I gave them a free wood because I had got a free wood from Panjim municipality.
होय. हे आता वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग केला ते किती लावून केलं ते कोणा लावून केला उदक मेळचे म्हणून लोकांक फायदो जातो म्हणून
उदक सेव करून
शेव करून म्हणजे ना काय लोकांक फायदो हय. तशेंच लोकांक फायदो जाता जाल्यार हे तूं डिस्टर्ब करनाका
हांव dis-
आणि ते लोकांक त्रास करनाका हे सायटीच्या लोकांची सगळ्यांची आमकां कंप्लेन
आयक.
हिंकाय सेफ कर
सर म्हाका कित्याक हे करून
हिंका शेत कर पयलीं.
आता कळलं
आणि
न्हू
ते दोन्ही
म्हाका कळलं न्हू
तूं बरें चित्ता न्हू तशें हे
सांग
बरें चित्त. आणि
मॅडम
ते
मॅडम
लोकांक-
आय एम ऑल्सो
I understood. See now, at the corner, येतलो आणि garbage dump केलं. You'll say that
now see,
Somebody dumped
my
it.
presence was not there because my mother had a
I know.
and my
no, I'm talking about further.
further
now.
there won't be any problem
You
because
keep- you keep somebody here to watch.
I am putting a gates and all now.
Okay. Because
I'm-
you will say that it's not me, somebody else saw this thing.
See, I am putting a gates and all.
Okay.
बेसिकली होल एरिया बॅरिकेड कर तुझी
Whole area see now
बरें
barrier.
चित्त कर. लोकांक तूं बरें चित्त कर.
And put CC cameras
कोण
so
dumping
that you
करता
can
जाल्यार
capture
direct
them.
Already barricades are going on.
Yeah.
Now he says
Because
barricade.
in Kerala, I saw a lot of vast farmers,
Madam,
they are not putting this garbage for their
Bar-
plants.
barricades.
Yeah.
Now you are talking about 7 years back. I have purchased the material for barricades. So 7 years I am not put it now because every time labor problem, this problem, I had a problem.
The major problem.
No, these people who are suffering with that, they are cursing you. That's why it is not becoming.
तू एक साइड
Take the blessing from the people.
दोन्ही सायडी बरी जावंक जाय.
पळय म्हाका एक सायड न्हू म्हाका सगळेंच बरें
हा,
करून
तेच ते दोन्ही
म्हाजें इंटेन्शन हें आसलें जाल्यार हांव दिल्लीवाल्याक विकून भायर सरपाचो.
तुझे कितें हेजे प्रॉब्लेम जाल्या म्हणून ते लोक येयला आयज ना आयज लोक येवचे ना
See, लोक येयला म्हणजे इट इज अ लेसन फॉर मी. इट इज अ लेसन फॉर मी टू लर्न द थिंग.
Yeah.
I take it positively. I don't take it.
No human is perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
I take it this, but I'll ask the permission to get a wood waste and this. So you give me the permission so that you can come anytime and I'll give the permission to Panchayat to come and inspect it anytime.
But sometimes you have to take the permission from Karamal Village Panchayat also.
I will.
To Karamal Village Panchayat.
See, I will ask to Karambol.
Now you will ask.
Yeah.
Before you had not asked.
Before, see, I didn't know that.
Many people asked with the punch member whether you had given the NOC.
Sir, it is
Then
my
you
fault.
say that I had got the NOC from the village Panchayat Karamboli.
See, I didn't know
Karamboli had not issued any NOC for you.
See, I didn't know the procedure. First of all, I was not a politician nor a.
This is not a.
This is not your correct answer.
This is not a correct answer.
How
You are
did
so
you
educated.
know such a
Yeah,
big
big
area?
educated people you say like this.
For
You
last
can't
10 years,
say that.
we are behind you only. Ask secretary. Secretary is still there in Panchayat.
तुझे आम्ही दोन
How many
ट्रक
showcase
दोन
we have
ट्रक
issued that time?
दोन JCP तुम्ही अरेस्ट केले ओडगाव पोलिशेन ओडगाव पोलिसांवरून धवलेले आम्ही रातच्यो कोणे सोडल्यो जाणा तुम्ही तुका काय खबर नव्हता कोणे सोडल्यो आय वॉज देयर दॅट टाइम अरेस्ट करता तेन्ना सुनील वॉज देयर विल्सन वॉज
सांगून
देयर
सगळ्याक
पर्टिक्युलर
आपण
टाइम
नकोच म्हणतात.
ते किल्ला वेगळा आम्ही अरेस्ट केलेलो आणि कोणे सोडले ते सांगा मग तुम्ही आता अरे अरेस्ट केले कोणे सोडल्यो ते तुका खबर ना
तू आता इतले व्हडले
Political
काम
powers.
करता पळय तूं आतां इतलें व्हडलें काम आसा पंचायत हांगा म्हणून तूं जाणा तूं सामको काय नको पंचायत हांगा आसा म्हणून काय नको काय म्हणटा आनी नको आसतना तुवें हाडून सगळें स्टोर केलें काम
This falls in Karamboli, no?
This falls.
आणि मागीर तालिगांवचे कशें हाडलें तुवें?
Taligaon, there was
No, it is like, ma'am, see, we actually remediated Goa. I'm from Goa Waste Management Corporation. We actually remediated the waste, okay, dump site. But what happens is like when we remediate it, we get 3 fractions separately. Okay, one is like plastic, which we send it to cement industry. The second thing is like fine compost. So for the compost, Taligaon Panchayat gave us NOC to deposit over here. So this land was
But
like
the Karambol Panchayat not given NOC.
No, but thing is like this was a private land earlier, I think so. So that's why, yeah. So yeah, so
But he doesn't want a NOC from
Taligaon Panchayat had taken NOC from him, like from Pareto. So basically that was like deposited over here, that compost. Okay, so
But
nothing
no
else.
need of NOC from the Panchayat, Karambol Panchayat.
No, this was like private land, so they have taken NOC from that. So we considered it directly from the Taligaon only, nothing as such. So,
सराउंडिंग खंय
होय, कळ्ळें, म्हाका तें कळ्ळें.
आणि सर, तो कित्याक घालता ते कोण इन्स्पेक्ट करिना
आणि
तो तुमच्या नावावर हाडून दुसऱ्याक घालता
नको म्हणून सांगू शकना
now it is my mistake. I agree it is my mistake. I don't want to debate it nor.
Don't trouble our
Madam,
humanity.
madam, I am.
Your saving plans is right. I'm also happy for that. But don't trouble humanity.
See, why will I trouble humanity? I didn't. I have told you first.
तूं थिंगा सकला येवन तो रावशी आसलो ना आफ्टरनून टायम तुका दाखोवपाचें कसो वास येतालो तो आमकां वी कुड नॉट ब्रीथ ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू डिडंट
I'm sorry
एक्सपिरियन्स
for all
दैट
this.
यू डिडंट एक्सपिरियन्स इट वी एक्सपिरियन्स इट
तुला हे तुजें कितें जाता हो वेगळो पूण तूं आतां येदो व्हडलो मनीस तुका तें हे म्हणटा एनओसी घेवपाचें हें घेवपाचो तो
आता further I will ask for all this permission.
तें एक पळय म्हणटा आमकांय लोक हिसारपी आसा
See, I understand.
and now you write on written complaint and give to the police station don't give oral complaint give it right
Along with vehicle number, vehicle photo.
and along with click that picture also what is down there and put this
म्हाका एक सांग पळय म्हाका पळय तूं आतां येदो पळय आपूण हें सांगनाका येदो व्हडलो तूं आतां हेजो प्रॉपर्टीचो ओनर तुका कोणी तरास करीत जाल्यार हांगा येवन तूं प्रॉपर्टीचे भायर सर म्हणून तुका तर तुका
Owner म्हणटा न्हू.
ऐका मातशें तुका तर बोमा केला तूं हें सोडून वयतलो पुलीस कंप्लेन करता मात ताजें तें काम करप आसता तें
Police complaint करूंक जाता केन्ना when you use the vehicle.
हा?
Night time येयलो
अरे
कोण.
बाबा नायट आनी
Night time
ऐका केन्नाय पळय आपल्या जाग्यार अशें केल्लें आहा म्हणून तुवें कंप्लेन करूं जाता तुका त्या काय करूं जाय म्हणून नाका ना एक सांगता तुमकां ऐका
लोक पळय ते हिंगा घालता बिलोंग टू कार्बन विलेज पंचायत लोकांनी कंप्लेंट कोणाक वयता तालिगांव पंचायतीक वचना
आमकां येता न्हू
आमकां कंप्लेंट येता वी हॅव टू फेस द प्रॉब्लेम
No, and one more thing I'd like to add. During COVID, no, कोविडान हांगा अनडम जाताले खूब तेन्ना तुम्ही म्हाका एक कळना तुम्ही येदे व्हडले आतां कॉर्पोरेशन आहा यू शूड हॅव कॉन्टॅक्टेड द पंचायत न्हू हाव कम यू बायपासिंग द पंचायत
no, that time, पळय
न्हू पंचायत लागतात न्हू करांबोली विलेज म्हणल्यार तालिगांव लागना हांगा
almost 6 months, like 4 months back, जे कितें आसलें 4 months म्हणजे विदीन 2 months.
म्हणजे आमी ह्या लोकांक सांगो
त्याच्या पयलींच्या आनी ऑलमोस्ट म्हाजो सांगू शकता हांव नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबरूच
ना एक स्मॉल अमाउंट जाल्यार एक सोडूंक शकता पण जी क्वॉन्टिटी हांगा आसलेली पळय ती तितली क्वॉन्टिटी घातलेली आमकां तरी दिसता की लोकल पंचायतीक इंटिमेशन
वचपाक जाय लोक आमकां हें करता
So त्याच्या
प्रॉब्लेम
पयलींचो
करता
कोविड तुम्ही म्हणटा पळय
COVID, I caught the vehicles of CCP. I did a news also on that.
Remediated by 2025.
सीसीपी येतात
पण तुम्ही ऍटलिस्ट हे करूंक जाय न्हू यू शूड टेक द पंचायत इन द कॉन्फिडन्स लोकल पंचायतीक कितें व्हॅल्यू
I
आसता
am sorry for all that.
इट्स नॉट अबाउट सॉरी सर यू आर डॅमेजिंग द नेचर लोकांक त्रास
Damaging the nature. I
हांगा
am.
स्प्रिंग आहा आदोशी स्प्रिंग आहा लोक न्हावपाक वयता थंय एवढे वेटलँड आहा
फ्रेश काय ना वास तेका ऑलमोस्ट
वास पण ते जालें आतां प्रोसेस सोंपलो
प्रोसेस सोंपलो
आनी फ्रेश कांय येवचें ना
काय ना आमच्या साईडल्यान गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचो ड्राय काय ना सो
पण आता
बाकीचो
हे-
रेस्ट तुम्ही वास येता म्हणटा दॅट इज लायक सेपरेट तो त्या हितूंतल्यान तो म्हाका खबर ना नो आयडिया
आनी म्हाका सीसीपीची तुमी कितें लिक्वीड फर्टिलायझर म्हणटा
Ah,
पण ते कितें
liquid-
येता ते
ते तुमकां हें आसता न्हू आय शो यू विथ
तुम्ही
द
त्याचे टेस्टिंग केल्लें आसा
टेस्टिंग केल्ले आमी झाडांक घालता तुमचे
टेस्ट रिपोर्ट बीन दिल्लो आसा
ते तेंचे कडल्यान घेता हांव आय लास्ट
कोणा कडेन
सीसीबी
नो बट बिफोर पुटिंग इट इन योर ट्रीज
आय हॅव पुट फॉर द ट्रीज नथिंग
दॅट्स नॉट
झाडांक काय दवरचें ना मनशांक दिता
तशें अप्रोच आसना
Ah.
देर कुड बी हेवी मेटल्स दॅट विल नॉट
नो नो दॅट इज लिक्वीड दॅट इज कमिंग इन लिक्वीड
but the liquid comes from their biodigester.
Hmm.
If I put tomorrow in my wet waste bin, if I put a battery रिमोटाची बॅटरी घातली ती त्या बायोडायजेस्टरान वचून डिसइंटिग्रेट जावन हेवी मेटल्स जावन त्या मॅन्युअरान वतली त्या मॅन्युअराचे कांय त्रास जावचे ना झाडांक पूण दॅट हेवी मेटल विल रीच इनटू द
सीसीबी आणि कोण बडी
आर्किओलॉजी कोण येयला
ते मेवा सापडून नाही.
ओके
See, that is like poison you're putting for
ना, पण
plants.
त्यांची पॉइंट
All the glass pieces are there, plastic are there.
ते चालू था का
ना
तेव्हा
ते
stop
बंद
केलं?
केले सगळे बंद केले ते
so henceforth what I can say is
So, for
with
that
respect to wait listen Mr. Parvekar, with respect to waste it is strictly not allowed to get any form of liquid manure or whatever it is without prior permission from the agriculture department with test reports or from that concerned department that is providing you this waste. If it is CCP, be it Taligaon, whatever it is, whichever local authority or whoever is getting this, you have to first prior obtain the test reports before putting anything into the soil, be it private property, government land, whatever it is. Agreed? Secondly, compost तुम्ही हाडटा म्हणटाले पळय आनी डायरेक्ट बल्कान तुम्ही डंप करताले it is supposed to be mixed with topsoil and then leveled. You cannot keep heaps of it uncovered. Monsoon timer it will leach.
Sir,
It will smell.
No, let me tell you.
Agreed?
We agreed.
Yes.
I have finished the entire. What I have done, you come and see, and what we are doing now for my sister's plot. Okay, today I am doing the excavations. Okay, there about 30-40 trucks of. He's already removed, screened, and I'll show you that also. That we are putting it today.
No, what is that?
It's you come and see the thing.
Compost or inert? There are two
Compost,
fractions that came
compost,
from
compost.
So please do not get inert here. Inert waste includes
In-
glass pieces, small plastic
You
pieces.
see, I'll show
stones.
you. I'll show you the 20 trucks which
Is there now?
which is there on the side
Which side it is?
behind Dempo Vijay.
We have to see. So please,
Not
Mr.
like this
Parvekar,
with the glass pieces and
henceforth-
plastic
Not
pieces.
like this. See, I'm putting it for my sister's plot.
So for your sister's plot, when you protect your sister's property, no?
No, everything I want to protect, madam. Why should I?
See, if you want to protect it, that piece, there is all poison for plants.
That
Glass pieces and plastic pieces, nothing else is there. I cannot see mud there.
see, we have already got a machine. So now we will start that.
So with that crushing of the glass pieces,
No, screening glass is separated. And that
आता आनी एक सांगा,
yeah,
glass आता separate इतले plastic.
State Taligaon Panchayat will take that
Why will Taligaon Panchayat?
because all these plastics and
have they given you in writing that they will take it back?
that agreement we will
Are you
this, but they are
quantifying it?
helping me.
No, I understand that they are helping you. It's very good that
Yeah,
they are helping
they were. I have called Mr. Gaurish actually. He was supposed to
you. Okay,
come.
but have they given you anything in writing that they will
They are.
take it back?
I get a letter saying that they will.
Will you be quantifying the waste?
Now quantifying waste means there is not much waste now. You can
No,
see.
that is not an answer. I'm asking you whether it may be 100 grams or 1000 kilos. You tell me whether you will be quantifying it or not.
So how to quantify?
Exactly. So how do you know? How do we know, or the panchayat know, or the pollution board know that the waste? You may claim that only 100 kg came out.
So I can show you what is there.
The property is so vast that we don't know where else what
No,
is stored.
see.
So Mr. Parlikal, everything has to be, whatever is coming in. Has, and
Now nothing is coming for last 1 and a half.
Okay, agreed. Henceforth, what is the case? Where
Henceforth, I will ask all the permissions, all the this, and all the panchayat's guidance.
पण लास्ट 1.5 महिनो तर काही होना म्हणटा वत पेरेंट्स कित्याक तुम्ही हांगा डेली येता तुमची कितें
सर आपण थोय आसा म्हणटा ती तेंचो spot.
कित्याक लास्ट 1.5 महिनो तर काही होना म्हणटा फ्रेंड
आम्ही पळयल्या फाटी पळयल्या आम्ही सेप्टिक टँकर्स येयल्या
Septic, it is not a septic tank. It's a biodigester liquid.
नाही येल्लो कलर
Yellow color. I will.
Yeah.
See. Give me 1 day.
हा
In presence of everybody, I will call you and get that 2 trucks. Let us put it for the plants. And no.
त्याने पहिले सांगला था यू फर्स्ट गेट द रिपोर्ट
रिपोर्ट्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट
डायरेक्टली हाडून सांगला
Okay. Means for your
प्रोसिजर इन्वॉल्वड
yeah.
एवरीथिंग
And also the biodigested liquid asta po, it is not for directly to be put in the plant. It has to be diluted. There's a dilution ratio of 1:10. So if you are getting one tanker, you have to get 10 more tankers of water, mix it together before putting it
No,
in the land.
we are getting it diluted. Not we are getting a concentrated.
Who is doing the dilution? I want to know.
They are only in CCP,
Do you
whatever.
have a system for dilution?
I don't know, but
So how are you?
I will show you the plants where I have put, and you can see the result on your own.
No.
सर पणजे उदीकूच ना 10 टँकर एक टँकराक घालूंक तूं कशें डायल्यूट करून हाडटलो सर हांगा तुवें काल सुद्दां ते बायलांक विचारलें